What's good, everybody? It's your boy John. I'm back at Six Flags Magic Mountain. It is Friday, August 20th, and we're here for another Raptor update. So as you can see, the park's pretty dead today. Now that all the kids are back in school, a lot of the crowds have lightened up at most of the theme parks that I've been to, at least. Probably about a 5-10 minute wait for Full Throttle. So over here by DC Universe, it looks like they're going to bring back the same clown scare zone in this area. And they'll release the monsters, most likely, as usual. So arriving over here in the DC Universe, looks like there's a ton going on today. I'm going to give a quick overlook of the whole site and get into detail in a little bit. As you can see, there's tons of new footers, especially in this area, as well as over here by Batman. They've added some. I think that's as far as they've gone, or at least to this one, that I can tell from here, but we'll go over there and take a better look. If you look off into the distance, it looks like they're doing land surveying for what appears to be most likely the block section or the transfer track over in that area. Most likely spraying markers down there, final markers, before they start drilling. Tons of groundwork going on over here in the old Batman queue area, / in between old Green Lantern queue and Batman queue area. And they've been wetting it down since I've been here, and they've also been flattening it a bit. What you're going to most likely notice the most is that the lemonade stand is actually gone now. Teen Titans Pizza is still up, but I expect that to be removed any day now. If you look over here, you'll notice that they've cut up a big tree. It looks like they're about to get out of here. Also, they've dug up and cut up a lot of the old wall that used to go around Batman. Not sure if you noticed, but it looks like that's going to be getting out of here as well. So we'll go over there and get a better look at it, but a lot of clearing going on in this area. So here's a better look over here at the dug up queue, as well as the old perimeter wall that used to go around Batman has been dug up, the iron fence. It's gone at least to here for now, but it looks like they're gonna get rid of this as well. But you can see how much more open space there is now that they got rid of that. And then the Batman queue continues right here. So, let's zoom in, see if we can notice any other details. But this is how I was saying earlier, how they were prepping the land, prepping the ground, most likely to start digging in that area. and get the footers done. Because once they do those and then going into the station, then they'll be complete with the footers. So we got about from right there, right about there where the cement truck is pulling up to the end of the station, and then the footers will be complete. After that, all they have to do is pour them, finish off the pile caps, and they'll be ready to go vertical in this area as well. There's just a little look without the fence in the way. Just another quick overlook real quick before I leave this area. Tons of workers on site, lots getting done. We're gonna head over to the Justice League area in 1 minute. Bear with me again because it's really sunny out and it's hard to see. I think I'm capturing everything the best I can. Here's a look from over here by the barbecue restaurant. Doesn't look like they've touched much on the station yet. Here's an overlook at the area from over here in front of Justice League. Looks like they finished installing pretty much all the anchor bolts that I can see in this area, or at least as far as the eye can see. They're pretty much in every one over here. Wonder when they're going to start finishing up and pouring the tops of them. Here's what it's looking like over by the exit to Riddler's Revenge. So you can see they got pretty much all the footers ready with the anchor bolts installed already, as well as it looks like some of the other foundations. I can't see inside, but maybe I'll be able to tell when I get home. It looks like they're ready to pour in these as well. Looks like Justice League is still closed. It was closed Monday as well when I was here. Not sure why. Just wanted to get a quick clip to show you guys how long the line for West Coast Racers is, which is usually one of the longest lines in the park. Doesn't seem to be too bad. Maybe probably like 20-30 minute max wait. I know it looks like a few people there, but it could probably take 20 to 30 minutes to get on here with even just that little amount of people. So it looks like they're getting ready for Fright Fest over here in this scare zone. think it's called Fright Mirrors, this area. Can't remember. Something like that. Or like fairy tales, something. No, it has to do with fairy tales. Might be a sign on here. Let's see. Oh, it's just nightmares. I thought it was Fright Mirrors. But yeah, nightmares. So upon heading out of the park for the day, decided to stop by X2 just to check up on how the third train is coming along. And looks like they've got the headrests on now, at least towards the front of the train that I can see. Can't tell if it's all the way through from here. I'm trying to get around. Yeah, it's hard to tell. Probably not though, but it's definitely coming along. And we got the second train right there. And the first train is on the track right now. So they're only running one train as of now. This might be due to the fact that they might be trying to get the audio working on all the trains. So they'll probably just run one, fix the two, and then take off the other one to get that one working as well. We'll see. Let's try and get a better look. Also, another thing, while I'm here, I love seeing the old X2, or I should say X track, the old pink track. Pink and yellow. So that's going to conclude it for this week's updates. Appreciate everybody tuning in as always. And until next week, this is John, and this has been your theme park ERT.